Next roundabout, I would like you to turn right. Third exit, please.
Centre right mirror. So up. We have to give way to the people on the right. So take a stop at this giveaway line.
Stop. Okay, go now for me. Mini roundabout, pretty good. I mean, there was a well executed, but good determination there. So you did your routine okay. So you did your mirror, signal positioning, your speed was okay, you were looking okay. Now you did said that you're giving way to your right. Describe me or explain to me what the meaning of right. Give way to the right on a roundabout. So who is your right?
So people coming here and that way as well.
So first is your immediate right.
Yeah.
Now explain to me more in detail about what about people coming on the opposite direction. How would you give it to them? When would you give it to them?
If they're going straight ahead or if they're crossing my path, which that van was.
If they're going straight ahead, are you sure about it? Or only if they're crossing your path?
Only if they're crossing my path. I think the reason why I say if they're going straight ahead is if I know they're signaling to go straight ahead and they've dedicated to turn in, I'm not gonna go there.
So if you need to turn right, and that car who was signaling going on to our right,
Yeah.
what if he's not signaling? Would you go or would they go first?
They would go first.
Okay, let's clear this once for all.
Yeah.
Who we give way on our roundabouts?
We give way on the right.
So anybody coming from your right who's
Yeah.
coming into front of your
Vehicle.
danger zone,
Yeah.
a small area there, yeah? So you definitely give it to them. So if
Yeah.
they're not signaling, means they're coming into your area, you have to stop for
Yeah.
them. Or if they're signaling going on to right, then you give it to them, yeah?
Yeah.
That's one thing is clear. If nobody on your right, then where you do, you look ahead.
Yeah.
If they are signaling coming to your right, coming into your front of your path, what would you do? You stop for them.
Yeah.
If they're going to their left, like if they're coming here,
Yeah.
or if they're going straight, and you have to go right, that means now we
Have the power.
are going into their path.
Yeah.
That means we are now on their right side, so they would give us the way.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Now at that time, what happened there? You were turning right, and he was turning his right.
Yeah.
But looking at his body behavior, he was already quite committed, and he was showing it's better for you to stop. In this situation, when he's going his right, you're going his right. You know what do we do? Eye contacts.
Okay. You know, then did he signal?
Yes,
Okay.
that's how I knew.
Yeah, I think I missed the signal there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I missed the signal there.
Is that concept clear?
Yeah. It makes sense. It does make sense. Yeah.
Yeah?